guys? My name is Ariel Doobie and today we're going to be doing the sneezing with your eyes open challenge. Rumor has it that if you sneeze and your eyes are open, your eyes will pop out. But that's not true. We're here to prove it. So, we got le tissue paper. We're going to tickle our winkles and try to sneeze and keep our eyes open. Are you ready? The lipstick looks terrible. I'm just gonna twist. Okay, we've done this video before, but when we did it, she claimed she did it.
I did.
But we had a bottle that was blocking her face the entire time. So, okay, now that Ariel has a super red face. Oh. I did it. Yes, I did. Already in the video, really?
Yeah, I told you I can do it.
Where's the spot? Hi. Keep doing it. I don't believe you. I didn't do it. Okay. I can't do it.
I'm more skilled than you. That's all it is.
Well, that's it for that video. I attempted it like I don't know how many times. I'm crying and my face is irritated.
Really? Are you kidding
Why?
me? That was nothing.
The thing is, it felt really good.
Oh, right spot.
That's it for this video. Maybe next time I'll eat a squirrel.